Welcome back to our channel. Question A is about gravitational potential, gravitational field. Okay. 8A. Okay, it said that it has a kinetic energy. It talk about whether it can escape the gravitational field or not. Remember, if the total energy is larger than zero, it will escape. So it has a position R. So what is the total energy? Okay, total energy is the gravitational potential energy, negative gmm over r, plus the kinetic energy. Oh, unluckily not enough. Just 2/3. So, but you have to calculate, okay? Simple manipulation of fraction, okay? So it should be negative gmm over vr. Yeah, so it is less than zero, so will not escape. Okay, you remember answer clearly. It has a whether will not escape using the same terminology. So for B1, okay, look at the question first. Estimated magnitude of the gravitational field strength between E1 and E0. So what is gravitational field strength? G is equals magnitude, okay, delta V over delta R. So find them out. Okay, potential, we have this one already. Okay, so we define the change of R. Okay, from E naught, it means R to VR over 2. So the change is VR over 2 minus R, or just half the R, right? Yeah, half the R. So delta V over R over 2. We have all the gradients, all the data, so substitution. Correct. Okay, 2.2 times 10 to the power 6. Okay, R. Oh, where is R? Yeah. 8.5. Okay, times 10 to the power of R also, but over 2. Okay, calculation time. You can do it. Yes, you got it. 0.52. Unit. Gravitational field strength, Newton per kilogram. Well done. Okay, last part. Okay, we haven't used this equipotential diagram actually. Okay, last part. It said that E2 is another equipotential lattice such that the potential difference between the same is also the same. We draw the equipotential lattice. So remember, I change it first. The electric potential is proportional to negative 1 over R. Okay. So you need to list out the thing. Okay, R lot is R. R1 is VR over 2, and R2 is unknown. Okay, this step by step. As they said, they're the same difference of voltage. So E2 minus E1 equals E1 minus E0. All the thing is proportional to 1 over R, negative 1 over R. So for E2, okay, it's negative 1 over R2, okay, unknown. And then minus negative 1 over 3R over 2, okay. All the GM cancel out, okay. You don't need to take care of it, okay. So E1 is negative 1 over 3R over 2. E0 is minus 1 over R. You can write down all the GM, they all just look at it, okay? Calculation time. Really? Manipulation of some fraction stuff, okay? So what is R2 in terms of R? Maybe you need a paper. Okay, bring out a paper and work on it. Yes, you got it. So R2 equals VR, well done. So triple the radius. So we have to draw circle from P, VR, so 1, 2, 3. So my suggestion is mark down all the points. Okay, here, here, and then yeah, you won't be so deviate from the result. Okay, you need to draw a circle among these 4 points. So you can draw arc by arc. Okay, this arc first. Okay. Quite good. The other arc. Okay, the other arc. Very bad. Remember, use a pencil to draw it. Okay? So you can erase it. Okay? Very bad. Okay, acceptable. So that's it. Don't use bare hand to draw it. Okay, it's hard. Okay, so you can draw it. Okay, and then mark it down. E2. Always remember label what you have drawn. Okay, good job. If you like our sharing, remember like, follow, subscribe, and share our channel to others. Okay, you want to help more people. Thank you.